Thanks for viewing our video. Please hit the subscribe button below to see more videos by the Speech Engine.
Hi friends! Do you know what animal makes our sound? Wait, what? Do you see something? Do you see our animal that makes the sound? Well, where is it? Where? It's on my head! Oh no! What is this cow doing on my head? That's so silly! Whoa! Well, I have our cow here today, and our cow makes our sound. The cow says moo. And I have a baby cow and a mama cow. Aw, they love each other. You know, this makes me think of one of my favorite songs. Do you think you can sing Old Macdonald Had a Farm with me? Yes? Okay, let's practice our M sound first. Hide your lips, turn on your sound. We're gonna say moo, moo. Nice cow sounds. All right, friends, here we go. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great singing, friends! A cow says moo. Moo starts with the letter M, and M says moo. 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 Hi friends, do you think you can help me take care of some animals today? Yes? Well, great. First, we have a dog. Good job. Dog isn't feeling very well today, so we're gonna give him a checkup. First, we're gonna listen to his heart. Good job. All right, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Well, doggy, your heart sounds really good. Next, do you think we should look in his ears? Good job. All right, doggy, we're gonna look at your ears. This ear looks really good. Let's look at his other ear. This ear looks really good too. All right, doggy, let's take your temperature. We're gonna put this in his mouth. Good job. All right, your temperature looks really good. Doggy, are you just having a bad day? You know, sometimes when I'm having a bad day, I need a hug from my grown-up. Do you ever need a hug from your grown-up? Yes? Oh, well, can you help me give Doggy a hug? Oh, good hugging. Doggy, I think you're gonna feel much better now after your hug. Thanks, friends. Our next patient is here. It's a cat. Good job. Kitty, what happened? Oh no, Kitty was climbing the tree outside and she fell. Oh, Kitty, I'm so sorry. Kitty hurt her leg. Good job. I think it might be broken. Friends, have you ever broken anything before? An arm or a leg? I hope not, but if you did your grown-up take care of you and take you to the doctor? Yes? I think what we should do to help Kitty is put on a cast. Here we go, Kitty. We're gonna put your leg in the cast so that it can heal. Should we sign Kitty's cast? Yes? Let's pretend like we're going to sign Kitty's cast. All right, friends, thank you for helping Kitty. Our next patient is here. It's a monkey. Good job. Guess what happened to Monkey? Monkey was at school running on the playground so fast, being so silly, and he accidentally tripped and fell and scraped his arm. Oh, Monkey, I'm so sorry you got hurt at school today. What can we do to help Monkey? First, I think we should clean his cut. So let's pretend to wash it together, okay? Good job. Now we know it's really clean. Next, we're gonna put some medicine on Monkey's arm. We just opened the medicine and now we're gonna put it on Monkey's arm. Does that feel better, Monkey? Yes? Oh, Monkey says it feels better. Now, what do we need to put on Monkey's boo-boo? A Band-Aid. Good job. We're gonna put the Band-Aid on the boo-boo. All right, Monkey. Guess what Monkey just told me? Blue is his favorite color. He's so happy with his Band-Aid. All right, friends, do you think we should give Monkey a hug too? I think so. Oh, Monkey gives the best hugs. All right, Monkey, I'm glad you feel better. Thanks, friends. Our last patient is a lamb. Lammy is here today because he was on the farm and he ate too much grass and now his belly hurts. Lammy, I think we have something to use to help you. How about we give him some medicine? Yes? Can you help me give him the medicine? Great! Here it is. Can you help me open the medicine? Yes? Pretend to open it with me. Ooh, there we go. We turned it and opened it. Now, let's put the syringe in and get all the medicine out. Good job. I think we should give Lammy the medicine in his mouth. Good job. Here we go. Oh, Lammy did such a good job taking his medicine. Now let's rock Lammy a little bit. Can you pretend to rock Lammy with me? Oh, everything's gonna be okay, Lammy. Your belly will feel better in no time. Thanks for taking such good care of him with me. Friends, the animals feel so much better now since you helped. Thank you so much. But we wanted to remind you, if you ever don't feel good, don't take medicine by yourself. Always, always, always ask a grown-up for help. Friends, I want you to meet my dog. Look, isn't he so cute? Guess what his name is? It's Bingo! And there's a song about him. Can you sing the Bingo song with me? Yes? All right, let's go. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, that was good. Now, can you help Bingo clap part of his name? Yes? All right, here we go. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, Name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. And Bingo was his name-o. That was so good! Let's go under the sea. What do you see? I see a shark. Blue. I see a seahorse. I see an octopus, and it has 8 tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see a pink clam between the starfish. I see a jellyfish with silly eyes. I see 1, 2 clownfish. Bloop, bloop. I see a turtle swimming by. I see an orange crab and a dolphin swimming up high. What colors do you see? I see blue and orange and white. I see pink and red and green. I see orange and I see red. Hi friends, do you know what animal makes our sound? Wait, what? What? You see the animal? Well, where is it? What? It's on my shoulder? Oh my gosh, what are you doing here? Friends, that's so silly that the horse was on my shoulder. Well, I have a mama horse and a baby horse, and they love each other. Do you know what that makes me think of? One of my favorite songs. Old Macdonald had a farm. Can you sing that with me, friends? Yes? I like how you nodded your head yes. But first, what sound does the horse make? Yes, it says neigh. Neigh. All right, friends, let's sing. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O, with a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great singing and great sounds, friends. A horse says neigh. Neigh starts with the letter N, and N says neigh. 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 Hi friends, look at this dino. Did you hear that? Dino starts with the letter D and makes our D sound. Can you make that sound with me? D, D, dino. Great job. Do you think we should count some dinos? Yes? All right, let's do it. Look at this dino. There's one dino. One. He has short arms and big feet. 1. 1. Now we have 1, 2 dinosaurs. 2. 2. They look the same, but different colors. 2. 2. Let's keep counting. 1, 2, 3 dinosaurs. 3. 3. And this one has 1, 2, 3 horns. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 dinosaurs. 4. 4. And this one also has 1, 2, 3 horns. 4. 4. Let's keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dinos. 5. 5. And this dino has a long neck. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dinos. 6. 6. And this dino has 3 horns and he's playing the drums. Can you pretend to play the drums? Boom, 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 boom. 6. 6. Keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dinos. 7. 7. And this dino is orange and he's playing the trumpet. Can you pretend to play the trumpet? 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dinos. And this dino has a birthday hat. He's ready for a party. 8. 8. 8. 8. Keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dinos. 9. 9. And that dino also has a long neck. 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10. We have 10 dinos now. Whoa, look at how many there are. 10. 10. Dinos. Dinos are the best. Friends, I have two really sleepy dinosaurs that need to go night, night. Can you say that with me? Put your tongue up behind your teeth, open your mouth, and turn your sound on. Night, night. Great job. Friends, what do you do before you go to bed? That's great. Well, our dinos are gonna take a bath, brush their teeth, and read a book. Can you help me? Yes? Okay, we're gonna put the little dino to bed first. So it's time for his bath. Washing, 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 washing. Can you help me pretend to wash our dino? Wash, wash, wash. Great job washing. Now we have to dry him off. Oh, Dino's so squeaky clean. All right, Dino. Next, we're going to brush his teeth. Here we go. Brush, 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 brush. Friends, do you brush your teeth before bed? Yes? It's so important to keep our teeth clean. All right, Dino. Next is book. All right. And all the dinos lived happily ever after. The end. All right, friends. I need you to help me, but you have to be very quiet, okay? Because we're putting him night, night. All right, Dino. Lay down and close your eyes. Oh, shh. He's going night, night. Shh, we have to be very quiet. All right, it's time to put our next dino to bed. But let's be quiet. All right, Dino, are you ready? Okay, we're going to wash our dino. Wash, 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 wash. Wash, wash, wash. Nice washing, friends. We want him to be nice and clean before he goes to bed. Wow. All right, we're gonna dry him now. Can you help pretend to dry our dino with me? Oh, nice drying. Oh, Dino, you look, oh, and he smells so clean. All right, it's time to brush Dino's teeth. Are you ready to help me pretend to brush his teeth? Here we go. Brush, 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 brush. Sometimes I like to sing the alphabet when I brush my teeth, so I know that I get my teeth nice and clean. Hey, do you want to sing that with me really quick? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That was so good. And I think Dino's teeth are really clean now. All right, do you remember what's next? Yes, it's time to read a story. We have to get Dino's book. All right. Oh, this is such a nice book, Dino. And all the dinosaurs lived happily ever after. The end. Okay, friends, it's time to get quiet again. We're going to lay Dino down and cover him with his blanket. Oh, all right. Shh, be very quiet. All right, say night, night, Dino. Night, night. Great job, friends. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 1 green speckled frogs, glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs, glub, glub. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs, glub, glub.
Where's Dino? Help me find him. Dino is in the swing. Where's Dino? Dino is out of the swing. Where's Dino? Dino is on top of the slide. Have fun, Dino. Where did Dino go? Dino went down the slide. Whee! Say that with me. Whee! Where is Dino now? Dino is next to the tree. Hi, Dino. You look so small. Do you see Dino? Yes, Dino was behind the tree. Peekaboo, Dino. You're so silly. Where's Dino? Dino is on top of the water fountain. I think he's thirsty. Where are the Dino friends? They are under the bridge. Hi, Dino friends. Where's Dino? Yes, he is climbing on the bridge. He's doing so good. Where's Dino? I see some steps. Dino is climbing up the steps. Great job, Dino. Where's Dino? Dino is at the bottom of the slide. He started at the top, but now he's at the bottom. Where's Dino? Dino is on top of the steering wheel. Are you driving the ship, Dino? Now where did he go? Yes, Dino is up in the tree. You're so high, Dino. Now Dino is in between the bars. Yikes, Dino. Are you okay? Where's Dino? Dino is under the picnic table. What are you doing down there? Where are all the Dino friends now? Yes, they're all on top of the picnic table. Do you think they're going to have lunch together? Yay! Thanks for viewing our video. Please hit the subscribe button below to see more videos by the Speech Engine.